flavor you love from Tajin is now available in a snack sauce. And while it's perfect for those yummy chips, of course that movie popcorn, and your favorite fruit. But today I'm gonna show you how I like to use it. And that's of course to rim a perfect margarita. Let's get started. Well, what did you think about this delicious, refreshing jalapeno pineapple margarita? If you want more recipes like this, and of course more ways to use this delicious new snack sauce, make sure that you visit us at tajin.com. Cheers.